Some of the issues are people will drive too close and won't give you the room there, or they won't pull off to the side a little bit to let you drive by. When people don't move over, our blade might be in the other lane of traffic a little bit, so it could be where it's a hazard to oncoming traffic. So as you can see, as we're approaching traffic, traffic doesn't necessarily like to stop. If they're coming towards me, pull off as far as they can without getting stuck and just stop so I know I can go by. We probably drive around 15 to 20 miles an hour. If we drive faster than that, the snow is going to be thrown a great distance. It'll take off the mailboxes. Stay far behind and give us room to do our job, make sure that we see you. Blind spots would be, well, directly behind us. If you follow too close, we can't see behind us. I would say that to give yourself about 5 car lengths so you're back in case we have to stop. When we have a lot of snowfall, we'll go out and we'll push the snow from the curb line back to make room for more. And when kids build their snow forts out by the corners of the driveway where there's a lot of snow, those children could be buried very easily and not even know it if you don't stop. Leaving your basketball hoops at the road edge that might get damaged, or your boats that the trailer tongue might be out encroaching the roadway, and if we come by to push the snow back or accidentally be over too far, we could damage that. 107 to 105, I'm done with my end. Do you need any help over there? We have spinners on the back of our trucks that throw out de-icing material, and sometimes people encroach, so when you turn that on, you might get blasted. The streets are cleared a lot better than what they used to be years ago with the equipment we have nowadays. So people tend to drive a lot faster, thinking that the roads are that much safer. The salt doesn't activate at a very cold temperature. So even though it's down, it might not be melting or doing the job it has. You may slip or slide through the intersection. Especially when you're clearing an intersection, people don't realize you're gonna drive forward, back up, or plowing a cul-de-sac. It's multiple moves. You can't see when you're close. You can't see the vehicle behind you, and you just need to give us room to do our job.